Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on notifications for channel invites on the Instagram app on your PC, especially after the latest update where some settings have been slightly rearranged. If you've been missing channel invites or not getting notified when someone adds you, don't worry. This setting is easy to find once you know where to look. First, open the Instagram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom left corner. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and from there, click on Settings. This is where all your account preferences and notification controls are located. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you manage everything related to alerts and updates from Instagram. Now, within Notifications, click on Push Notifications. This is where you can control which alerts you receive in real time. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Channel Invites. Once you see it, simply select On. This ensures that anytime someone invites you to join a channel, you'll receive a notification instantly.